Today we're looking at a Holzher 1619 horizontal and vertical line boring machine. This machine is a three-phase 240 volt unit with a 2 horsepower motor. It has 19 spindles set on 32 millimeter centers. This is a very adjustable unit. I'll be showing you in a minute all the adjustments on this, but it was really a well thought out machine. First of all, up top, you've got your hand wheel here, and you can see this scale right here. This adjusts the spindles in and out when it's in the vertical position. So as I turn the hand wheel, you can see it moving out, and you can set your adjustment based on that scale right there as far as how far you want the spindles to drill into the work past your fence. We've also got a 4-position turret right here. This is the stop for the depth. So you can see as you adjust this, each one of these coming in contact up to here would set you in a different position. In fact, we labeled some of these already: vertical 1, vertical 2, and your horizontal. Your horizontal is much lower because typically you'll have a much deeper throw on your horizontal boring. Has 3 pneumatic clamps across the front along with your emergency brake. These clamps are easily adjusted side to side. You just lock them in wherever you want them, and the entire bar slides in and out, so you can set it depth-wise where you want, and then just tighten down your stops. You've also got 2 indexing pins, one on each side. These will drop down to index yourself. And what's nice about these pins, you can see they can slide in and out. They can slide left to right. You can adjust them with this thumb screw up and down inside the shaft, and you can take the entire unit off and turn it around to go to the inside if you want to get your indexing pin right there next to your spindles. This fence here has 2 flip stops. It also comes with this auxiliary fence. This, of course, is not attached or anything. It's just sitting here. And where this goes is it uses these 2 bolts right here. They have wing nuts on the bottom. There's 2 more on the other side. And you set that auxiliary fence for specialty applications. To be honest with you, I've never used the auxiliary fence, and I don't even see what kind of application you would use it for, but it comes with it. So you've also got these 2 bolts right here. These adjust the entire unit off of this slide right here, up and down. You've got 4 inches of travel that you can work with, so the depth of your material is very adjustable as well. Right now this is in the vertical position. We're going to run it through a couple of cycles. First of all, make sure that you're in the vertical position, because if you don't, you can see these little nicks and dings where somebody ran the unit without putting it with the right stop. So in the vertical position, you've got your foot pedal here. This is a 3-position pedal. Okay. When you clear it out like that, that's what releases the clamps. When you put it in the middle position, that's what engages the clamps and puts it as ready. And then when you push it one more time forward, it will engage the spindles. There's a momentary on-off, so you don't have to worry about holding it, and until your workpiece is done, it does everything for you. To put this in the horizontal position, You have to pull these pins out, and then we'll reset them down here in just a minute. And I have to kind of hold this and pull it, so and the entire unit just lays down just like that. Okay, now your hand wheel here becomes a height adjustment up and down, and again, set your turret for what you want, and then run your spindles. Overall, this is a very clean machine. You can tell it's had, frankly, very little use. If you'd like more information on this unit, contact me, Steve at scscustomwoodworks.com.